Hello everyone, Rowan here from Renovation Insider. Let's dive into the 1950s kitchen. It's the 1950s, the war is over, and the United States in particular is enjoying a wave of unprecedented prosperity. Millions of military personnel returned, eager for the comforts of home and the company of the loved ones that they had been missing away at war. Everyone settled down into domestic bliss. Record numbers of homes were being built in the newly developed suburbs, and the centre of all those homes was the kitchen. Through the 1950s, designers and homeowners embraced colour in the kitchen, although somewhat softer than the colours commonly seen in the 30s and 40s. The 1950s was dominated by soft shades of blue, turquoise, pink and yellow, candy-coloured cabinets and appliances to match. Kitchens in the 50s were known for bright pastels, bubble-shaped appliances and colourful linoleum. These characteristics created bright, charming spaces for the whole family to come together. While many elements have remained the same from the 50s kitchen, such as the unified cabinetry, wall ovens and electric or gas appliances, many of the design aspects have changed. A sales feature for the homeowner was often the easily maintained kitchen with enamelled steel cabinets or stainless steel counters. This blended beautifully with the warm quality of wood and plaster surfaces throughout the house. The custom design range hood over the cooktop and barbecue as an appropriate architectural feature. By now, more than 80% of American farms and more than 90% of urban homes had a refrigerator. The dishwasher was a new introduction to kitchens in the 50s. This, along with so many other notorious, such as mixers and blenders, even non-stick pans. How'd they think of that? A layout inspiration that started booming in the 1950s was the open kitchen. This allowed for people to talk to their guests and the room felt a lot larger than they were. Join us next time as we look into the next decade, the 1960s.
Renovation Insider, a better way to start your home improvement.